your hair. Appreciate your hair. Focus on making it healthy rather than comparing your hair to others. What's healthy hair like? Healthy hair doesn't break. Healthy hair is not brittle. Healthy hair looks shiny. Healthy hair looks full. Just like we have tall and short people, our hair is also likewise. Somebody will have a long hair, you will have a short hair. Do not compare your hair to others. Do not be pressured into using products people are advertising for hair growth just because you want your hair to be like them. Let's take it back. Look at your family line. Are you hairy? Do you have a lot of hairy people in your family? If not, why are you wasting money? Don't let nobody with plenty hair pressurize you into buying products that are not effective. Aside doctors, who do you take hair growth notes from? Is it the naturally hairy person or somebody you know who had bad hair and is now having a beautiful hair? In the absence of the doctor, maybe you are looking at a home remedy channel. How do you know that this person's formulas are going to work for your hair? First of all, I prefer to look at channels of people with bad hair. Yes, somebody with bad hair has tried everything. So when they tell you this works, it works. And when they say this doesn't work, it doesn't. Secondly, I also like to watch people I know with bad hair who have gotten beautiful hair afterwards. People with a realistic before and after hair pics. Like I know this person before had bad edges and then I see another pic of hair with grown edges. A realistic pic of hair. I like to take hair goals notes from such person. If you see somebody with, when I say big hair, like full hair, it's so pretty and then you want to get that. Have you seen the before pic of that person before wanting to use the same products they advertise, or before wanting to try the same home remedies they try? Know your hair type. Is it 4A, 4C? Know your hair porosity. All of our hair will never be the same. It says, love your hair.